How to first confirm your identity to send messages on Facebook. So if you are seeing this on your Facebook Messenger or on your Facebook app, this is what you can simply do. So right here is my Facebook app. So if you go to the message section like this and click on any of the message right here, you're going to see that it is showing here, confirm your identity to send message. So in order for you to fix this is what you can simply do. First, you need to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Yes, hit the subscribe button. Now looking right here is my Play Store. You can actually go to your Play Store or your App Store, then go ahead and search for Messenger. So you just need to go ahead and search for Messenger. If your says update, go ahead and update it, then go ahead and click on open and log into your Facebook account. So you just need to go ahead and log in like this. Click on allow notification. So yeah, I'm going to click on save info. So right here is my Facebook Messenger app. So if you click on any of the message here, this is what you're going to see. Looking right here, you can see the option of continue. You can't actually message anybody here. So if you click on continue like this, looking right here, you can see choose the type of ID to upload. Looking right here, you can see passport, you can see driver's license, you can see national ID, you can see marriage certificate. You can click on see all and you'll be able to see more right here. So looking right here, you can see all of that. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and select national ID, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on next. So looking here, it says take a photo of your ID. So I'm going to go ahead and click on get started like this and click on allow. Then go ahead and click on allow while using this app so that you'll be able to access your camera. Then go ahead and click on submit like this. So looking right here, you can see that after submitting the ID, I'm now able to chat with this person. Now going back, let me click on any other chat right here. You can see that looking right here, it says scams often start with urgent requests. So if you are sure of this person, click on cancel and you'll be able to chat with this person. So right here, you can actually go to any of the chats here. Looking right here, it says scam often starts with urgent requests. They're actually trying to tell you that if you don't know this person, you can go ahead and block them. So I'm going to click on the cancel icon right here and you'll be able to see that I can now be able to chat with this person just like this. So this is how simple it is for you to first confirm your identity to send messages on Facebook Messenger. I think Facebook is actually doing all of this in order for them to confirm those that are actually real and those that are fake, in order for them to be able to filter those that are just on the platform to scam people or do fraud on the platform. So this is actually a good update on Facebook, and recently they have actually been disabling and suspending a lot of accounts in order for them to confirm if those accounts are actually owned by real humans who claim to be who they say they are and not just fraud. So this is actually a good update on Facebook. What do you think? Tell me in the comment section what you think and how this has actually affected you. Now do it, hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. Hope you found this guide helpful. Hit the like button.